Hi, my name's Vincent and welcome to Today on Oceania Expedition. Last week was the end of COP25 and 2 full weeks of deliberation. The Odsiders did a speech in the green zone, but that's not all they got up to. Let's check out what they did. Carmen and Marta checked out the many interactive experiences in the COP25 Green Zone Conference Hall.
Okay, this is a virtual reality experience. We are creating a single melody and a single piece of art over this mural that we present here.
Ay, vale, ya puedo pintar. Vale, sí, puedes pintar, te puedes mover, puedes empezar a andar, mover. It's like you can paint everything and everything you paint, you reflect there.
We have these domes over here.
Each of them represents one different city.
This is an idea of the World Health Organization and we're going to get inside and see what happens.
Nueva Delhi, New Delhi.
New Delhi, in each box we can see the levels of the pollution.
The Odsiders interviewed many experts on what could be done to fulfill the Sustainable Development Goals.
If we fail to meet the targets of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees, then the impacts of climate change will become ever more severe.
Hemos venido del Tíbet.
¿Y qué venís a contarnos?
Aquí, como IFEMA, ahora mismo, ¿verdad? Que un momento muy importante de cumbre del clima. Todo el mundo está preocupando la madre tierra, el cambio clima, hay crisis climático. En todo caso, Tíbet hemos participando aquí para dar un poco de mensaje, ¿no? Que el mundo y todos nosotros somos hermanos, hermanas.
There was a large focus on Indigenous peoples at this year's COP, with many stalls depicting the Indigenous culture and art.
Indigenous women, especially in developing communities like Brazil, they're, I believe, the main voice that we have to consider when we're talking about climate action, because they're the people that are gonna suffer most with climate change, just because they live in nature.
Bueno, nosotros venimos del caucus indígena chileno, quienes nos juntamos 8 pueblos de los 10 pueblos que existen en Chile para formar nuestro documento, nuestras peticiones y cómo podemos ayudar desde nuestra cosmovisión.
Hector followed protests outside on the way into the conference.
This literally means we are all
We've come here because the climate conference is here, and we want to make it absolutely clear how important it is.
Cool.
I think they're sticking their head in the sand. The science is so clear.
Some of these protesters made their way into the green zone, bringing the conference to a standstill.
Extinction! Rebellion! Extinction! Rebellion!
We couldn't leave without asking experts about what they thought about Oceania's trip around the planet to turn the world around.
Oceania, ¿verdad que mucho ánimo?
I think the project is really amazing and inspiring. I think it's really important for young people and young scientists to engage with this as you are doing. You're setting an example to everyone else that everyone can do something. You are helping to raise awareness of this issue and applying your expertise. And you guys will see the full impacts of this in the longer term if nothing is done.
Que la gran esperanza de la humanidad sois vosotros, sois los jóvenes. Yo estoy convencido que vosotros sí vais a poder revertir esta situación. Vosotros sois los que estáis introduciendo presión a los poderosos, a los políticos, a la administración. Vosotros con vuestro talento estáis innovando, teniendo nuevas ideas que hasta ahora no hemos sido capaces de nosotros encontrar.
Hemos venido a hablar un poco y a hacer más.
After a long day inside, the Odsiders hit the streets to attend a 500,000 person strong counter-COP rally.
Bueno, después de estar en la COP, de ver una cara de la acción contra el cambio climático, estamos en esta marcha histórica en España, una marcha social contra el cambio climático desde otra perspectiva y vamos a escuchar qué tienen que decirnos.
If you're interested to find out more about our trip around the planet to turn the world around, make sure you like and subscribe down the bottom, and we'll see you next time on Oceania Expedition.